ZEUX is something unique. It's been created with Lego designers, kids and Volvo designers. And we definitely see that this could be the starting point of the future of the construction machines going forward.
Originally this was just a conversation between two design leads at a dinner, and we were talking about how we inspire our different teams and how we can do projects together to capture all of this energy within our design teams and to just do something that was very different.
When Lego come in, every time we got stuck on those normal features and areas, they just moved on. And we're like, okay, can we really move on like that? Yeah, let's do that, see what happens.
And that opened up a whole new possibility of opportunities that we could do with these vehicles. And as the teams evolved these, then we kind of really believed that then we ended up going towards a product.
The drone is an extension of ZEUX. It could see things, find people, it could scan below the ground, also identify different qualities of material.
Our technician said, well, take away that eye, we don't need it. But then the kid said, how do I know that this machine sees me? How do I interact with this machine? They thought they gave feedback on a Lego model, but at the same time they actually gave feedback on a real construction machine.
When you walk past, then this will then connect and it knows, or you know, that the vehicle has seen you.
A huge benefit, since it's autonomous, is that it would run 24 hours a day. The technology used in ZEUX is, in a way, it's what we have today, so it's not that complicated. So in theory, we could build a ZEUX tomorrow.
It's really neat to see, how we can engage with children and engage with future employees based off of that, to say there is a bright future in the construction industry and there's some really interesting things that we do with technology.
We will lead the industry. And I think ZEUX is just one example of how we do it.